Hello everybody, welcome back to my 2024 blow dry routine for my natural hair. I haven't done a video like this in a while and I really wanted to do another one just updated because my hair is much more healthier than it was when I did this back in 2023, I think. But first things first, on very clean damp hair, I will go in and put in my leave-in conditioner from Yale Organics and basically just rake it on both sides of my hair. Normally what I like to do is section them in two, but if I am being lazy and I don't care, I'll just go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner everywhere. And then the next thing I really like to do is section my hair into two so I can get ready to oil it. Personally me, I like putting oil in my hair right after I get out the shower. I don't know, has always been a routine for me. Other people don't put oil in their hair. Like I seen this movement on TikTok where they didn't like applying the oil to their hair. They were doing something different. But basically I use the Hask repairing oil in my hair. I spray put a pretty good amount on there and just obviously rake it in my hair. Then I'll of course go in with the repairing oil on the other side of my hair. And then I also go in with another oil from Mayel Organics, and it's the almond oil mint one. I love this stuff. I have always spoke very good about it, like on my other social media platforms, and I just praised it because it does pretty well. It has this really cool soothing effect. So it's really amazing for people that have seborrheic dermatitis or just any skin conditions where it's itchy or you get rashes a lot. This stuff soothes my scalp, and I really like it. Okay, and next, these are the two things that I'm going to be using in my hair. The first one is the Chi Silk Infusion Serum. I really love this stuff. I also seen that one on TikTok, and then the Chi 44 Iron Guard Protection Spray. I love both of these. I first didn't start off by using the Chi Silk Infusion Serum, but then I seen it on TikTok, and everybody's hair looked so amazing, and they just said even without blow drying their hair, they just put it in there and it left it very shiny and just very soft. I also have noticed that, especially when using both the Hash repairing oil and the Chi Silk Infusion Serum, they both leave my hair pretty soft. And also the 44 Iron Guard Protection Spray. Personally, I don't really care what protection spray I have as long as it does the job pretty well, but I thought it would be amazing just to use both of them, so here I am with both products, and I would say they work pretty well. And a cool little fun fact, I actually have 3 blow dryers in total, but for today we are going to be using the conair the Pro Collective blow dryer. I personally love this blow dryer because it has 3 attachments that it comes with, I think. And the one that I'm using now, it works wonders on my hair, and I never really have to worry about the attachment falling off. With the one that you've seen in my left hand, I think is the peach looking one. That one's called the Conair Infinity Pro hair dryer, and I don't really like that one only because the attachment breaks off. Also, I do have to make sure with that blow dryer that I didn't use that I detangle my hair before I use the blow dryer, because again the attachment will come off. But this blow dryer is really amazing. I really like it, and it's really helpful for whenever I am being lazy and I don't want to properly detangle my hair before I blow dry it. So yeah. Yeah, basically, I've already applied the heat protectant as you all seen. All I have to do from now is just go ahead and blow dry my hair in the sections that I have them in. And then afterwards, all I'm going to do is just braid my hair up, and then of course unbraid them all, blow dry it again, and then voila, all done. Okay, but yeah, all I basically do is just unbraid my hair and then blow dry it one more time. But please let me know if you all want to see a braid out routine because I love doing braid outs. I used to do them all the time. But I haven't really had anywhere to like wear my hair out recently, so like literally I haven't been doing my braid outs as much, but as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Look at it, look at my hair. I do also need a trim, so that would be also a pretty good video if I did a trim and also a braid out at the same time. So I can show you all how I do mine. But yeah, look at my hair, it looks so pretty. This is my very simple outro. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.